Good morning, YouTube. Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Suwanee, Georgia today. It's about 10 after 9. As you can see, we have a large dog accident. This is a 3-area job. That black is not coming out. Pretty sure I think it's shoe polish. This was a dog accident from 2 nights ago. They've already spot cleaned it, which, as you can see, they didn't have a whole lot of luck with that. This is a closet we're in. And then we got a bedroom with a couple spots. One spot there, one spot over here. The rest of the bedroom looks pretty good. Then we got this little nursery area, which is nothing in here, so this will be quick and easy. So yeah, this is a 1:35 job. Like I said, it's after 9, so we'll knock it out, see how it goes. As you can see, it's about 10:20. It's our 1:35 job. There's our spot where our mess was in the master closet here. As I said before, the corner spot there's shoe polish that wasn't coming out. Everything else looks good. And then here was the baby's room. Like I said, wasn't much to see in here, but as we said before, spots are included, no upsells, no per spot fees, no hidden charges. It's a flat rate per area. OMG Carpet Cleaning. 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Appreciate you watching. Be kind to one another, take care, and we'll see you next time.